Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video, we are going to see how to install and use fswatch on OpenSUSE version 15.1. fswatch monitors the directory and files and reports the changes that happened in the files and directories. Prerequisite is GCC compiler and C++ compiler. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is 15.1. Now I am going to install GCC and C++ compilers. Press Y to show all options. Now I am going to download fswatch tool under mnt directory. Download has been completed. Extract the tool. Now change directory to extracted directory. Here give "L" to long list the directory. Use the below command to run configure file. Run make command to build utility. To install fswatch, installation is completed. Now we have to create link for fswatch. To test fswatch, open one more terminal. Here type the command fswatch. Now I want to watch for mnt directory. Here. Creating one test file. To terminate fswatch, press Ctrl C. To watch a specific directory recursively, use -R. To watch the directory with timestamp, thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.